Funfetti. My name is Manjuna. Today I'm going to show you how to make the basic vanilla cupcakes and Funfetti birthday cupcakes by using only one cake batter. I'm using a stand mixer, but if you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer or good old wooden spoon. Here I have some soft unsalted butter. I'm gonna beat this for about 2 minutes until the butter becomes nice and soft and fluffy. Medium to high speed. This is how it should look like after 2 minutes. Now I'm adding the sugar. After adding the sugar, I'm gonna beat this up for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes nice and pale in color. Now as you can see, the mix is very pale in color. At this stage, I'm adding the eggs one by one. So put the machine on low speed. One. Put my second egg. Mix well. Now I'm adding the buttermilk, half a cup of buttermilk. One and a half cups of self-raising flour. Good quality vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Now I'm going to divide the batter into the cases by using an ice cream scoop because this gives me the perfect size all the time. With this batter, I would say you can make 22-24 cupcakes. Now we are going to make the Funfetti. Now I'm going to add some Funfetti, about 2 tablespoons, into the vanilla cupcake batter mixture and mix it gently. Please don't overmix it. Okay, that's it. Using the same ice cream scoop, I'm going to divide the batter. With this cupcake batter, you can make 22-23 cupcakes. The oven is preheating 260 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit into the oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until you see nice and golden on the top. Alright guys, the cupcakes are done. They look beautiful and smells really good. Now I'm going to show you guys how it looks inside and I'm going to taste one. So it's so soft, so light. Look at this. Look at all these beautiful colors. I'm going to taste and see how it tastes like. It's really good, light and fluffy. It tastes absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. I'll see you soon with another great recipe. Bye for now.